Effect through 6 in the morning, 31 overnight, blowing dust before 9 o'clock, and then just clear, cold, and windy. Winds gusting to 45 miles an hour. 51 tomorrow. Gusty winds continue up to 30 miles an hour, 32 through the heartland. Also part of the wind advisory and having to deal with the blowing dust, and 50 for a high temperature tomorrow. Still windy and awfully chilly. Winds are going to be brisk all the way through the week. Cold front coming on Friday with a big drop in temperatures to a high of only 46. And then we have another strong cold front about Sunday, and we could see some very, very cold temperatures by early next week. Ashley?